Corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also. I do not support corruption. Corruption takes money away from children's education. It deprives hospitals of basic necessities. It means that roads are not fixed. Corruption deepens inequality. It siphons off taxpayers' money to make a few cronies richer with the political connections instead of benefiting the people.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit, my people. Take a listen to this.
Morning, family, morning, top of the morning, author speaking, greetings in the name of Imperial Majesty. Hello world, hail Yash for the Black King. September 7th to the 12th, we'll be going for 5 days. All who own a, ready? All who own a driver's license, wanna come. This car ride. Can any one of you go up on suspension who own a driver's license, who drive for a living for 1 year? Anybody who can go up on suspension for 1 year without work, without pay, we have Pitney and send girls to school and feed them every day, raise your hand. Well, me can do it. So September 7th, we want you all to join because Clarendon call, Portland call, Manchester call, Westmoreland call, and everybody ready, Kingston call, everybody ready so far. So we're going to have a motorcade soon from Kingston to Mobile. Great thing to show them that we are ready, up and ready. You understand me? Because if we don't do this, we are going down. We have to show them that people still live in Jamaica. Because it look like all these laws, these draconian laws are come up from the Narrow Bill pass and they don't even realize. All of a sudden, Roman boom ban. Roman boom. Eh? The man them tea ban. Yam and banana, you have to have license for planting and for carry now. You know, wake up. Don't be a fool. You can't eat one patty, one peanut on the steering now. Eh? You don't tell me this. We're not going to take this. We're coming out. Everybody coming out. So September the 7th. See you all there because this come from the whole of we now. The whole of we in a trouble now. If we not come out, we can't come out again. Remember, look good. This is a slavery master. Hold up, what I was speaking.
Here's a scam that is happening in the country where the book lists are concerned. We usually have a thing we call hand me down. So, like me, there are 5 of us. My sister Nikisha, Genevieve, Sasha, myself, and Akeem. All right? And Nikisha is the older one, followed by Genevieve, followed by me in the middle, followed by Sasha, and then Akeem. So when we were going to Davis Primary School, when you finish with a book, Nikisha finished with a book, Genevieve would get it. When Genevieve finished with a book, me get it. When me finish with the book, Sasha get it. And we usually have a thing where we wrap the book cover. We wrap a book cover to preserve the look on the book. And not only that, we had a system where we used to rent book from the library. We used to go to the library and get a book, or sit down in the library and write out in there. You know what has not changed? Let me tell you what has not changed. What about book rental? It was a thing in my days. Yeah, there you go. Like the Junior English Revised. Yes. Hand me down, don't work anymore. Every year, the book change. The book don't change. The books don't change. What has changed? This is the scam. And as a matter of fact, I can't even pin your comment because them block it. My data book list comes up to 46,000 and I'm not buying any. Don't buy one. If it's the only child you have or have never used it, then you might be forced to buy. Me, I tell every Jamaican parent here tonight, the people who at Kingston Bookshop and the other bookstores, them want to support, them are part of the private sector organization in Jamaica. They have found a way to milk poor people, not buy none. Everything in the book where the teacher teach, it is online. Every book they online. Everyone did it free. There's no problem they can give you and ask you to solve, and you have to get it from the book. It depends on flipping line. We're already paying internet bill. That is enough. Not buy no book. All they do is change the damn book cover. And you're gonna ask, is that true? Let me ask you something. Let's use math, for example. You think that the math equations last year for CXC?
People, me come to adjust one situation, you see? I make me tell that little drunker something first. Drunker. Me come in and me comment, me tell you something. Me born as a Labarite. Yeah? Me born as a Labarite. And through me a Labarite, me I go sit down and support fuckery. So make me tell that little drunker something. Batty boy. We are run back a MP. We MP a mine. Pussy. No MP na mind me. A farming me do. No MP na mind me. So you see you can talk about 4th term. Eh? You don't know more blood clot Labarite than me. Me a bigger Labarite than your pussy. We are run back a MP a mind your batty boy. You hear? And from fuckery I go on. Pussy. You don't need better for Jamaica. You're one of them we have carried on Jamaica. You see me? I want better for my blood clot niece and nephew and grandniece and grandnephew. I want better for them in a Jamaica pussy. You hear? And that me I make you know. You're a crab in a barrel. You and the politician them are the same thing. Batty boy. We are run back a blood clot MP a mind your boy. No MP na mind me pussy. A farming me do. No MP na mind me batty boy. Just suck out your mother, drain your mother. You're one of them where help carry down Jamaica down in a wall pussy. You think through me a Labarite, me afraid to talk the truth. Me talk the blood clot truth and me talk with it on my mind. Go suck your mother. You're MP follower. MP a mind your pussy. A farming mind me. A farming mind me. No man no mind me batty boy. Batty boy no man no mind me. Suck your mother. You come in a man comment and come talk about 4th term. Let me tell you something. You see that 4th term, eh? And you alone a blood clot go a polling station go vote. You alone. You alone a go vote for Labarite. Batty boy. And me a Labarite and me a talk that pussy. Suck your mother and come out of my blood clot comment. You can't tell me how I feel. Eh? Me not talk for me alone. What about the other generation who are going to come? Eh? You think me come here for turn stone? I pass through earth. Me not there forever. Me not there forever. But what about the other younger generation them who come? Eh? Pussy. Suck your mother, man. Bumbuckler. You see people like you, that's why Jamaica can't better. That's why Jamaica can't better. Because you uphold with too much fuckery. You uphold with too much fuckery. You see me? Me a Labarite and a Labarite me vote for all of my life. A Labarite. Me a vote for Labarite before even Andrew. Me a vote for Labour Party before even Andrew come in a blood clot Labour Party. Me a vote for Labour Party before even Andrew come in a Labour Party. A man attack say fuckery I go on here come in a man blood clot inbox. I can chat fuckery in a me as well. Go suck out the deepest part of your mother pussy. The MP way I run back fuck your body boy. And I mind you. No man nah mind me pussy. Me am own a boss. Me work me own a money. Batty boy. No man no stretch out to me. Me no stretch out to no man. Suck out the deepest part of your mother pussy and come out a man blood clot box. You know like what me say? Your school pass, batty boy. Pussy all there.
The family of 2 burn victims who received medical treatment overseas are breathing a sigh of relief this evening. The men are back in Jamaica. Janella Precious has the details.
Ivy Buckley is all smiles.
Because my brother is home, back home with us.
Her brother is one of 2 surviving victims of the May 27th garage explosion on South Camp Road. The men, Fabian Brown and Richard McPherson, arrived in Jamaica Friday after receiving treatment overseas. Although not fully recovered, Fabian Brown says he's happy to be back home.
Overseas treatment was very good. We got professional and thorough treatment, because if not for that, then I would not have made it. And I'm very glad that I was brought overseas by the Burn Foundation and Trinity Airlines in order to receive that treatment. As if not for them, I would not be here today.
He's, however, mindful that the journey to recovery will be long.
But the treatment will continue for some time, because I'm currently disabled in the left foot, and the whole burns, I received more than 50% burns to my body, so this will take up more than a year, maybe 2 years.
The men were among 3 of the victims who were flown overseas for medical care. This was made possible by the Burn Foundation and the Crisis Support Charity. Their colleague, Damian Walters, didn't make the trip back home. He died a few weeks ago.
It was one of the most ambitious missions taken on by any organization in the Caribbean, which you can see it is a success. And first, we have to give God the honor and the glory for sparing these gentlemen life who survived this ordeal. And so our involvement was organizing the hospital, ensuring that the funding was able, because one burn victim to go overseas, anyone could imagine what that cost is. And so we were able to mobilize international support and other international hospitals to have them quickly and swiftly flown to the United States.
Co-founder of the Crisis Support and Burn Foundation of Jamaica, Stephen Josephs, says the men will have to return overseas for medical follow-ups later in the year.
Both gentlemen in total have gone through 18 surgeries. And so in November, they will have to go back to the U.S. To do follow-up treatment on these injuries.
But why have them come back to go back November?
Well, it's a partnership. Jamaica and the UWI has the capability in terms of to do the occupational therapy, the physiotherapy. And so it's a partnership between institutions.
Family members are grateful for the help and are also relieved.
At time it was tense, because he was in a lot of pain. So, and then otherwise it was all right.
But you're happy that he was able to get treatment overseas, right?
Yes, I was, and quickly, like that.
You think that made a difference for him?
Yes, I do. I do think that made a lot of difference.
Why do you think so?
Yes, because it saved his life, because we don't know if he would survive if he was out here, if he could manage the pain and whatever he was going through.
How badly was he burned?
It was a third degree burn, right.
Janella Precious, TV.
Look how Jamaica stay. No light, no road, no food pan we plate. People are suffer while Anjua live great. You stand up on the platform, smile wide and proud. I tell we about prosperity, but we can't see it all now. Hurricane come through and left the people be. 6 months later, them still out there, asleep under the air. Their JLP friends them build high rise, road still full of wood. A whose pocket do I feel while the nation lose its soul? Hospital overflow, picnic can't get
fi plan, food price reach the sky. You bring in the poverty while your own people cry. We born ya, we grow ya, we bleed for this land. But Andrew at the top won't extend the man. You talk about vision, you talk about plan. But 10 years later we still can't understand. Corruption report London, nobody charge. The people pocket small but the scandal them large. Who's crack up parish council bro? Country suffocate done and it just smoke. And when we raise the voice you call we political. But the truth is the truth and the truth is biblical.
Police, time to go.
Time to go. The people,
let's say no.
we say no. 10 years and we can't take no more, you know hear us. We are knock on the door.
Police, time to go.
Time to go. From Kingston to Negri, the people say so. We tired, we hungry, we done with the show. Police, our time to go. We no want no hype, we no want no speech. We want action, no, not the lies you preach. Hurricane victims still under tarpaulin. Prime Minister fly gone foreign. Your JLP cabinet full, but the people COVID empty. Oh, you live so large when we live in so scanty. Not with fists, not with fire, but with voice. Them rising higher and higher. From every parish, every yard, every gate. Jamaica speaking and I know too late.
Police,